Hey guys, so today we are going to go over the National Real Estate Exam acronym. So these are things that you guys want to remember. These are things that you're going to see on the test when it comes to the national portion, regardless which state that you're doing it for. The national is the national, okay? So I want you to know some of these acronyms. A lot of these acronyms you will see on your regular state test as well, but I just want to make sure you know it, okay? So let's dive in. So we're going to go right into them. So the first one is going to be deep C. So when you see deep C, that is the bundle of rights. So on the left hand side, you see that there's a picture of sticks. Those sticks is ones that you want to remember. I don't know how you guys were in class, but I know with some classes, what they do is they will show you, take the sticks out, and they will show you that each stick represent a bundle. Okay, so when you see deep C, no, that's the bundle of rights. So if they ask a question like which one is not a bundle of right, or which one does not belong, you would know what it is because you would clearly use deep C. Okay, so deep C is clearly disposition, which is the right to transfer ownership, either permanent or temporarily. So that means that I look at it, how I always remember it is I can dispose it. It's mine. If I want to put it in the trash and if I want to give it to a friend, it could be disposed. That's how I remember disposition definition. All right. Enjoyment, the right to enjoy the property. That means you could do whatever you want on the property, you can enjoy it. That's pretty simple. Exclusion, the right to exclude others from entering the property. So when I see exclusion, I always hear, get off my land. I mean, get off my land. So I'm saying it again. So that way, when you see exclusion, you hear me saying, get off my land. That means I have the right to exclusion others from entering the property. Okay. Possession, the right to live on the property. So possession, that's can deal with when it comes to leaseholds and renters and things like that. That's when you're going to get into possession. Okay. Because you can have possession, but that doesn't mean you have the full bundle of rights. Okay. So that's what possession is, saying that you can live on the property. Control is the right to build, modify, destroy, rent the property to another. So you can do however you want. You have the control. Okay. So remember, disposition is to dispose, throw away. You can transfer it. You can put it in a dumpster. You can give it to somebody else. Enjoyment is to enjoy. Exclusion is get off my land. So I can exclude you or include you on this land. All right. Possession and control. So when you see deep C, know that that's the bundle of rights. Yep, I see your question. Good job. Yep, 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 yep. So you will see that. So if you see some that says disposition, enjoyment, possession, and conclusion, that's not right. Conclusion is not one. Or area, that's not right because it's DEEPC is deep C. Okay. So I want to thank you guys for watching. We went through that really, really fast. I wanted to do this lunch break acronym for you guys because I know some of you guys have to go to work or looking at it from work. So it's okay. I don't want you to get in trouble. So I want to go ahead and share this with you. But thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe so that way you can see more videos. If there's anything that you need me to go over, please let me know. When it comes to acronyms, or if it comes to I'm having a hard time remember this, let me know. I would be more than happy to share it because I'm sure you're not the only person that has that question. Reach out for any questions. If you have any questions, please feel free to go to info@rawsondassociates.com when it comes to what to do after you pass or fingerprints, anything, whatever it is, we are here to assist. And Florida, guys, if you need the cram test, we do have it at that site. So thank you, guys. I wish you all a wonderful day. Remember, 5 tomatoes. Remember, 4 old ladies driving 35 miles per hour. Maria, remember that men change or to add something. And nail screwed or glued, whatever that is. I hope this helped you. And y'all have a wonderful day. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this because I know we wanted to run through it for lunch break. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me. Let me know. Y'all have a great day. Congratulations to everyone taking the test. Bye bye.